Hello guys, in this video tutorial we will tell you how to set conditions in the quiz poll feature. With the set conditions option, you can lock a specific quiz or poll and set conditions to unlock it. The users must satisfy the necessary condition to unlock the locked quiz or poll respectively. Now let's see the conditions. Log into your app account and go to My Apps. Click on Quiz or Poll and you will be redirected to the quiz poll dashboard. Now click on Manage Quiz Poll. Here you can view all the added quizzes and polls. You can also check the details such as name, category, date of addition, type, and status. You can set conditions for both the quiz and poll. Let's set condition for quiz and poll separately. First, let's set condition for a quiz. Here, as you can see, the type is quiz and the quiz name is English. If you set conditions, then this quiz will be locked. Now click on the cogwheel icon here and you will see multiple options such as general settings, language settings, CMS pages, etc. Click on set conditions and you'll be redirected to the set conditions section. Tick mark this checkbox to lock the selected quiz. Here are the selected quiz in English. Now select the number of days after which you want to open this quiz. For now, let's select the number of days as 1 from the drop-down. Now select the quiz that is Hindi from the drop-down that you want your users to attempt to unlock the locked quiz. Please note, all the added quizzes will be displayed on the drop-down menu. Now let's set the outcome of this quiz, either passing or failing. For now, let's select passing from the drop-down menu. Now, according to the set conditions above, if the user passes the Hindi quiz, then after 1 day of passing, the English quiz will be unlocked. For reference, you can also view the example. Once done, click on Save to continue. Now let's go back to Manage Quiz Poll section and set conditions for a poll. Here you can see the type is poll and the poll's name is bank. If you set conditions, then this poll will be locked. Now click on the cogwheel icon and then select Set Conditions. Tick mark this checkbox to lock the selected poll. Here the selected poll is bank. Now select the number of days which you want to open this poll. For now, let's select the number of days as 1 from the drop-down. All the added polls will be displayed in this drop-down menu. Now select the poll that is math from the drop-down that you want your users to attempt to unlock the locked poll. Now, according to the set conditions above, if the users attempt the bank poll, then after 1 day, the math poll will be unlocked. Similarly, you can set conditions as per your choice. Once you're done, click on Save to continue. That's all for now. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates as soon as they are live.